Hello, friends. Welcome to St. Bernard Acres, the home of the off-grid cabin behind me there. This is Friday, November 2nd, and I came out here to check on my rain barrels because we had a lot of rain and Wheeling. Didn't get crap out here. I thought for sure I was going to be able to show off my rain barrels, but no, we didn't get any rain out here. And I could tell by the ground how dry it is. It sucks. But I figured I'd do an update anyway. And I'm going to show it off a little bit, because I don't think I did a video. In fact, I just may do a separate video, just how the whole system is set up from start to finish, instead of the piece together videos like I did. I was out here practicing my drone, right? Suffice it to say, I need a lot more practice. That's a fact. But I will show you some footage here. I did crash it, and I walked, because I was trying to do the road all the way down around the corner and all the way to the end of the property. And there was a lot of low-hanging trees and branches sticking out over the road. And I meant to turn right, and I turned left and hit the trees. You can see it tumble. And I wasn't about to walk away from it. So I searched and searched all the way up and down that road. And finally found it. I mean, it didn't hurt. It's okay. It's stained up, a little grass stain on it, green. But I brought it back, put another battery in it, took off with it. So the first crash, it survived. But man, I do need some practice. I love that thing though. We're going to have a load of fun with it on this channel. And I wish I'd have gotten it sooner, because down at Heritage Port this weekend, they got the vintage race boat regatta and all these old race boats running on the Ohio River. Man, it would be perfect for that. But I'm afraid to take this thing out over the river, because if I have another accident and dump it in the river, I'm not getting it out. And I don't think they'll send me another to do a review on if I dunk the first one. So we'll see, you know. So what's going on? Speaking of rain catchment, this is something I wanted to touch on before. Now they're saying, according to studies, that rainwater is unhealthy for us, dangerous. And we're going to get disease from it. And my question is, number one, did Britta and Berkey pay for this study? So that you have to buy filters? They want everybody. I mean, the sales of filters, since they brought that out, you can check this out. I kid you not. The sales of home filtering systems has gone up. And I don't know how many of y'all were around in the 70s, but it seems like the late 60s, early 70s, everything was about acid rain, and all the rain was poisoned back then. So, I don't know. Maybe it is. But yeah, I want to know who did that study. Because, if it's poison and these chemicals you can't get out of it, what are water treatment plants supposed to do? I don't understand it. I guess I'm going to have to build my own water treatment plant out here at St. Bernard Acres. But, friggin' gnats. I was so happy to come out here today and not have to worry about mowing. That's one way I know we didn't get much rain out here. But yeah, my first flush diverter doesn't even have rain in it, so I know not enough rain fell to wash off the roof even. But yeah, I thought that was pretty bizarre that suddenly our rainwater is poisoned all over the world. I'm telling you, that's this whole bullshit about the New World Order, if you will, not wanting us to be self-reliant or self-sufficient. So they're going to do everything they can to scare us out of it and make us totally dependent on them. That's the thing. That's the ultimate goal, I'm telling you. So anyway, ain't much going on out here. So let me throw a few of the drone clips at you, and then I'll be back. So yeah, having to do all that walking and scratching to find that drone makes me happy. I got this out here. That's my hand fan. Telling you guys, these things are awesome. Even got dirt on it. Man, really good. There's a link for y'all to get one of these. And I'm gonna tell you something. This is like, I know a couple people are like, why are you putting that in every movie? Well, you know what? In every video, there's a deal, placement deal. I have to show this in 10 videos. So y'all bear with me. Because I know some people haven't seen it yet. But it really does work. And when it's hot and humid, I'm glad I got it. But again, I hope y'all appreciated those clips, man. That thing's fun. And I can't wait till I get better with it. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Uh-oh. I went to the post office. Guess I ain't got no mail. Whew. Man, walking through all the woods over there got my sinuses going. Holy cow. Whew. But yeah, I'm gonna head back. Appreciate y'all hanging around. I really do. This is Joe out here at St. Bernard Acres. I'm out, folks.